good morning, good morning. I forgot to get my hair done today. Anyhow, good morning, people. It's a beautiful morning. Just got up. It's kind of early. It's like after 6:15. Um, Decided to get up early this morning because I got the yesterday's video to upload. It's pretty much done editing and then exported to my computer. So now I gotta upload it to YouTube. So I'm gonna do that real quick for it to start uploading to YouTube. So let me do that real quick and then we could go on. I got a few dishes to wash out, so I'm gonna wash those real quick. But yeah, as I said, it's a beautiful Thursday morning. Thursday, we're more than halfway through the week, and it's a beautiful day today. Every day is a good day. Yesterday I got a lot done, the backyard, did some cleaning in the garage, stuff like that. So today is going to be a great day. Today, I have to swing by the salon this morning, not to clean. Yesterday it got clean last night, so I'm gonna drop off some of the stuff that I took from the garage, like two of the salon chairs and stuff. We have a room not down there that's not rented, so I'm gonna rest those chairs and items, hair dryer, stuff like that in that room for now. But yeah, guys, today I think I'm gonna order those shirts and go figure out the blender today. Not much I could do. There's nothing else on my list to do here at the house. The restaurant, I gotta meet the guy later on today, the grease trap guy. Today's Thursday. I gotta meet him. Let me look at my list. So first of all, I'm gonna try and get my hair done early today in the morning. Then I'm going to drop those things off at the salon. I'm gonna order the shirts, and then when I leave there, I'm gonna look at the blender. I'm gonna try and get this side shape up a little bit. The side of my hair after I get it braided, I'm gonna get it shaped up. I said I wanted to get a battery, but yeah. So pretty much I have a full day today again. I have a full day. I just have to go through and knock them out in whichever order. There's no order on the list, but I'll try and run through that list for today. I have them written down right here on my calendar. I got one of those big calendars on the table, and each day I have all that list. I also have a notepad as well that I do calculations and stuff like that on. The privacy fence thing in the side, I want to tackle that, but I'm probably just gonna save that for a weekend when places are closed and I can't do nothing else. Saturdays and Sundays would probably be the best day for me. This Saturday or Sunday, I would probably bring the trailer up to swap some things out. But other than that, doing that privacy thing would be on a Saturday or a Sunday. Yeah. So yeah, let me upload this video real quick. Right. Don't mind me yawning. It's early in the morning at 6 o'clock now, after 6. As I said, I try to get up around this time, before 7. So it could be, sometimes it could be 5:30, it could be 6, it could be 6:30, 7. I try to get up every day by 7, just to get these things out of the way and get my day started. Sometimes I do feel tired, like when it gets to 1, 2 o'clock, you get sleepy. But if I'm doing something, I'm fine. If I'm sitting around doing this or at that time, then I'm gonna feel sleepy. sometimes we gotta take a little cat nap in the daytime, like for 30 minutes or so. But yeah, let me get this video started. Um, Yesterday's video is 5:22, so let's name it yard projects. So you see, guys, I watched the whole entire video yesterday, editing, doing all that, but I never thought of what the title would be, right? So even last night it was uploading, even just a while ago when I come down, I still didn't think of that project. So I'm just winging it as I go. So because I know yesterday I was doing all that yard project, yesterday's video, meaning I was doing the backyard, I was doing the garage, stuff like that. I just thought of it like instantly, yard projects, right? So that's what the name is gonna be. I ain't stressed out over the name. Um, whatever I do in that video, then that's the name of the video. I try to make it, or whatever was significant in that video. Like it might be several things, but whatever I think that took the most time or most concentration to get done or whatever, then I'll name it after that, right? So you see me do a bunch of other things, but that was the highlight. So yeah, I don't really think of these things even while I'm editing, or you know, I don't really think of it. I think of it after, you know. So that the description, I'm just now making it up. I haven't thought about this at all. So today I got the umbrella up. Umbrella. Ella, how you spell umbrella? Umbrella up. And the garage. Garage. Umbrella up and the garage. Okay, so a little more space. Has a little. All right, so description is done. I pretty much preset everything in on the tube where all everything, the playlist, everything, the tags, everything is automatic. All I do is just hit reuse from the last video, and I make my own title and description. As far as the end videos, I'll just add the end videos, the playlist and stuff like that for the end video. Yeah, so quick and simple when it comes to uploading a video. I already have that routine. I add the end screen and the end card. End card is the video you want to play next, or your playlist you want to have played when the video ends, right? So yeah, and then I just hit next, and it's ready to be uploaded with everything. The thumbnail and so, I just let it automatically generate a thumbnail. Most of the pictures is gonna be of me because I'm mostly videoing myself, so you'll see me a lot. It's almost all my videos gonna have me on there. But yeah, as I said, the video, this vlog is about me. So you're gonna see me in almost all of them. Yeah. So yeah, guys. This video is uploading right now. Let me just check my dashboard. Refresh the dashboard. Change. You see it. Okay. I don't know what that is. Let's check it over here. So the contents. Okay, it's uploading. So 522 is uploading. 522 is actually yesterday. It's Thursday today. So I'm uploading Wednesday's video, guys. Wednesday. Go to my channel. Okay. Okay. So Monday is up, Tuesday is up, Wednesday is now uploading, and then today, this is actually Thursday's video. So yeah, guys, let's get started. The video is being uploaded. Let me put someone else's video on so I could watch that in the meantime. So let's see if Colors drop anything. Colors Smith TV. Colors is a nice clean channel. Yeah, no, nothing crazy. Yeah, Colors really good channel. So yeah, Colors has a nice clean channel, more family oriented, cooking stuff, adventures. He love his channel, man. I sit there and watch his stuff for like an hour, 2 hour in the background, listening what he's saying and what he's doing. But yeah, I'm gonna wash a couple dishes, guys. Yeah, man. So today is gonna be a great day. Remember, guys, every day you get up, even though sometimes some things frustrate you and you get upset. Like the other day, I wasn't upset, but I was just angry. I couldn't find that item, and I had to go all the way to Lithonia, and it's somewhere here, but I just don't know where it is. It's in a tub somewhere, in a box somewhere. So that kind of got me bummed out, because then I wanted to move on with the day and get some other stuff done, but I couldn't because of that one item, just a small little box, right? So sometimes, even though your day ain't going well, just don't worry about it. Make it work. Just make your day work. Of course, there's times you're gonna get upset over something or get messed up over something, but whatever it is, just get over it real quick and don't let that spoil the day. Sometimes these things spoil my day, so off camera it'll spoil my day. However, it's still a great day, still a great day. That took some time and delayed a lot of things, me looking for it, but I still pressed on and continue the day. Figure out another way how to get that part done. So yeah, sometimes it's just is what it is. Sometimes it don't work the way I want it to work. So people are gonna get upset or it's gonna affect their day a little bit. But yeah, keep pushing, keep getting stuff done. I'm guilty of that too. I let it get to me sometimes. But we humans, so we have to just keep pushing, no matter what. Young or old, keep pushing. If you ain't working and you're old and you retired and stuff, and keep pushing every day, keep exercising, get up, walk down the street, get up early, get some fresh air, keep walking around the house or something, keep moving. The day you sit down, that's the day you're gonna have issues. Whether it's your foot start hurting or something, if you keep moving that legs and keep moving, that's how we were designed, to keep moving. In order to stay healthy, you gotta keep moving. If you notice, if you don't work out or you don't get gym, you just get fat, your body you get sick, you know what I'm saying? You end up developing a lot of problems because you just sit and eat all day, and things stop working. So we weren't designed to do that. If we were designed to do that, we would have been healthy even when we don't work out or eat or move around. I haven't been working out like that, but every day I get up and I'm on the road, or I'm walking around, or I'm moving something in the garage. So exercise is exercise. That's not even exercise, but I get some calories burnt, you know what I'm saying, by doing that, by moving around, getting up early, doing all these things, working on the backyard, working on the garage, going by the salon, doing work there. My work is physical work. It's not work that I sit around and behind a desk, or my work is actually physical work. When I'm painting, I'm rolling, you know what I'm saying, in the salon. I'm putting in some wash bowl, I'm bending down, I'm standing up, I'm lifting up stuff. So it's like a workout, it's like a workout. I went by the truck yard the other day, and by a friend of mine, and he don't get time to work out or do anything like that. But guess what? His job, he's just moving around. They're changing tires, they're working on engines, they're lifting things, they're driving up and down in the yard. They're always on their feet doing something, you know what I'm saying? Working on trucks, it's physical work. You're lifting stuff, you pushing stuff, you pulling stuff, you wrenching on it. It's a lot of physical work they be doing, So with him, he don't go to the gym or working out or anything like that, but he gets enough work done in a day. It's like going to the gym, So sometimes if you can't make it to the gym, your work is the gym. You know what I'm saying? So you work out. I gotta finish them rinsing off them. I soap them up and everything. Sometimes what I do, I soap them up and I spray a little bleach on them, and then let it soak a little bit. Then we left this chair over here. So see, this was one of the chairs, the lounge chairs, but we forgot it, so let me put it back over. Yesterday I was testing this umbrella, so I put it out. I forgot to put it back. So yeah, guys, so it's a beautiful morning. It's early, as I said. The sun is not even out yet. As you can tell, see the umbrella is up. It's kind of overcast today. No sun yet, but we'll see how the day goes. Normally it starts out like this. It's not overcast, but it's like fog. Sometimes in the morning it's foggy, and that's how the morning starts. Looking nice. Some of the weeds are dying, some is not. I think I'm gonna do it differently. So instead of using the spray bottle with the sprayer that you spray the individual weeds, I have another weed application bottle where you hook the garden hose to it. So you pour the concentrate in it, and then you would water it. So I think by watering it with the weed killer, you'll get more coverage in terms of how it spreads out. Now with the spray bottle, I gotta do individual weeds to, you know what I'm saying? It's a lot of weeds. So over there in those bushes. So if I attach it, pour it in the bottle itself, then I could use a water hose and spray it that way. It's more concentrated. Like that bottle normally do the mixing, so I put the concentrate in that bottle, put the garden hose on it, and then it sprays out. The only thing with that is the guy told me don't let it catch the grass. So if the mist or anything like that go over and catch the grass, you might kill your grass. So that's why I didn't want to do it that way. I wanted a more control, because sometimes you spray in the hose and then the hose is gonna, that mist is gonna travel. So I think I might not do that. It might take a little bit more time for me to spray it, but I'll take my time and do it by hand. Know that I thought of that, because if you let it catch your grass, then there's no turning back. You can't undo it. You know what I'm saying? So you just gotta be careful. So I'll know that I think about it. I'll just do the hand spray bottle. But yeah, as I said, it's a beautiful morning. It's good to come out here in the morning time, listen to bird, have a moment of silence. Yeah, you could hear the birds out there, different birds makes different sounds. Let's say you hear some cars in the background. This is time people get up to go to work, 6:30. It gets busy by 7. A lot of cars pass by here by 7:30. There's one right there passing by. But yeah, you could sit right here and you could look at the squirrels in the trees. They are waking up, so it look like they're picking something out of that tree. But see a bunch of them in that tree over there. And you'll see the birds flying from tree to tree. It's nice out here in the morning time. Yeah, that's where I want to put that little privacy fence. If you see the umbrellas right there. Umbrellas right there. But then we're gonna put a little privacy fence right here, so you don't, along the umbrella. So that way you won't see, when you see here, you're not looking in the neighbor's yard right here. So I'm gonna put a privacy fence right here. Not right behind the umbrella, I'm gonna put it. And then one on the other side right here. On both sides. It's just like a freestanding privacy fence. It's not gonna be boxed in or anything like that. I guess you'll see it when I get it done. But yeah, but it's nice out here. It's nice to have your coffee. I don't drink coffee like that, as I said in the previous videos, but I could drink my hot water, sit right here and meditate for a few seconds and think about what I have to do and for the day, how I'm gonna do it. Now we got the restaurant on my mind every day, so it's like thinking how I'm gonna pull it off in terms of the steps. That's what you sit out here and think about. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Them squirrels are happy every morning. They be jumping up and down all over. from tree to tree. They just jump all over. They eat and play. If you notice all these animals, none of them stressed out. You know what I'm saying? They be always happy, yo. The bird's always chirping. I don't think he's cursing. I think I cuss the bird, I cuss when you hear them making all that noise. They happy as hell, making all them noise. The birds, all them animals get up and just play. You know what I'm saying? So why we as a species get up and frustrated and gotta go to work and doing all of that? Man, they played us. Whoever built this system played us. You know, they made it. This system is made to where we have to get up and go work in order to live. And all these other species, the squirrel, the animals, they don't get up and work. Humans even went as far as taking that dog and controlling that dog and let that dog has to go to work. Every day he has to get up and go to work. Have you ever thought that he wasn't born to do that? He wasn't born to go to work. He was born to just be free and be an animal and play and enjoy what's on the land. But instead, we as humans took over that dog, train him the way we want to train him, and have him go to work every morning to go stand up somewhere all day and sniff all day and do all of that. We humans did that. You know, I guess it's called life. You know, we just so happen to be the one who does that and not the other way around. Ain't no animals taking over anyone and telling them what to do. I guess we're really at the end of the food chain, you know. So we get to decide what they do. That's messed up. But yeah, when you sit out here, you think about all these things. You know, you think about what we were meant to do and what we weren't meant to do. But society has become what it has become, so we end up doing what we are doing, doing what we're doing. No. So I hear a different kind of bird over there. I hear something making some noise like some kind of cricket or something. And then I hear a different bird over here. And the squirrels jumping from trees to trees. I think they be picking stuff like those little nuts off the trees they eat. They having breakfast. Yeah. Oh, it's garbage day. I gotta go put the garbage out. They never normally come this early though, but I looked in the camera a while ago and I saw the neighbor's garbage out there, so I know I gotta go do that. But yeah, guys, it's good. It's a nice little meditation in the morning. Oh, let me leave this door open. Get some fresh air in here. As I say, I like to give let it air out a little bit. Let me open up these windows. Let some light in, let some fresh air, let some sunlight. Ain't no sun coming in the back right here, but when you open it up, it gives you the outdoor feel. You could see the trees, stuff like that. Open it up and see the trees, hear the birds from inside. If I was to build my own house, I would build where the whole back wall could slide open. So when you're inside, you're actually outside. So I'd love to do something like that one day when I build a house. My design, not somebody else's design. But yeah, guys, let me wash this out. I don't think you want to see me washing these dishes out, but let's do it anyway. It's a part of my day, so you gotta see it. If anything, what I'll do, I'll just speed through this part, put a timer, and speed through. Yeah. Yeah, guys, I gotta pack the dryer, pack the dishwasher. So the dishwasher, we don't really use dishwashers. We wash our dishes and put it to dry in the dishwasher. Yeah. You know, Jamaican people are really used to them foreign things, so them still wash stuff by hand, you know. Yeah, we still use one and wash things. It's just Jamaican, you know. We grew up washing plates every day. Yep. Yeah, guys, so this thing right here, remember yesterday I was working on it, the vacuum hose, the vacuum part of it got messed up, so I realized the motor got separated from the pump that's in it. So I ended up taking it apart, found out what's wrong, put that pin in and connect the pump back to the motor. So now it's working fine, it's working really good. However, you guys should get one of these. Anybody who cooks and like let's say you season salmon or a piece of meat or whatever it is, get the bags, the vacuum pack bag. Once you season your meat, vacuum pack it and then put it in the freezer. It makes it last a long time without freezer burn. It'll last for months without freezer burn, and when you come to cook it, it's well seasoned. It's seasoned to the bone. So this, when you vacuum it, you take all the air out and it sucks the seasoning into the meat, right? It sucks it into the meat. So I would recommend get one of these. They sell at Walmart, all over. Food Saver. You don't have to buy the Food Saver brand because it's a little bit more expensive. You could buy one from Amazon. I have another one I bought from Amazon, cheap, under 50 bucks, $30-$40 maybe. It's much smaller, but it works. If you guys are cooking guys or like to cook or season any of your meats, vacuum pack it. I recommend it. It's much easier if you buy meat in bulk from like Sam's and you season your meats ahead of time. Once you season your meats ahead of time and vacuum pack it, it's gonna be night and day difference. That meat is gonna be seasoned all the way through, and you could store it for longer periods of time without it being freezer burn. Just buy the thicker bags. Make sure you get thicker, freezer bags, and it won't get freezer burn. So like chicken, you could put it in there for not weeks, but a couple, like 2-3 months, right? And when you take that meat out, it's just gonna be the same as you just bought it, right? But you gotta do it the minute you buy it. So fresh meats get it seasoned and put it in the fridge. Or even if you don't season it, but just fresh meats, get it in there. Don't buy, if you buy the meat today and you don't vacuum pack it and put it in the fridge 2 weeks later, of course it's not fresh anymore. So you vacuum packing stale meat. So the day you buy it from wherever, the farm market, supermarket, the day you buy it, if you buy it and that meat was fresh, vacuum pack it the same day and get it in the fridge. A lot of times people will take 2, 3 days, 4 days, and then vacuum pack it. You're vacuum packing stale meat. So if you open it 2 months from now, it's gonna be stale meat that you vacuum packed. So remember, if you're gonna buy your meats, do it the same time. Just like you're gonna do frozen fruits or whatever it is. Don't do it 10 days later. Do it the day you bought it. It's nice and fresh. You sealing in that freshness, right? So a lot of people I know do that, and then they complain and say, "Hey, the meat's stale." No, because you packed it when it was stale. Just like cooked foods. So cooked foods, if you're gonna vacuum pack it, just the day you cook it, vacuum pack it or put it in a container and put it in the fridge. Then it'll be fresh a day, 2 days later, right? But if you put up leftover food that's been sitting out all day or the next morning, you're actually putting stale food in the refrigerator. So how you think it's gonna taste when you take it out? It's gonna be stale, right? So a lot of people don't realize that they put up leftover food that been sitting out all day. So then it becomes leftover food. It's gonna taste like stale food. So get it in the fridge early, guys. Don't be letting stuff sit out. It's bacteria will grow on it and all sorts of stuff will grow on it. So make sure you put it in the refrigerator as soon as possible, whether it's raw or cooked. Right? For me, I don't really put things up because I don't really cook. When I cook for myself, I just cook for myself, and that's it. That meal, I'll consume all that meal. So everything I make, it's always fresh. So if I make a potato, I'll make one potato and I eat all that potato. So everything I make, I'll make it, one serving pretty much. Only like the other day when I made the curry chicken for everybody, then I'll make a batch of it. But when I'm making meals for myself, if it's broccoli or vegetables or stir fry rice or quinoa, I make smaller amount. Like the rice, I'll make more for like 2 days or so, 3 days. But when it comes to the meats and the vegetables, I make it fresh just for that day. I don't make a lot of that. Keep it fresh and keep it smaller amount. You won't waste it. You won't have a lot of leftover stuff. Yeah. So guys, I've been filming this little scene right here. I've been filming it for like 38 minutes or it's 40 minutes. I'm gonna speed up some of it, but just to show you how this camera is really good. It's not even warm in my hand. It doesn't feel hot like a GoPro. By now a GoPro would be on fire or probably cut out sometimes, depends on how hot it is. It'll go in timeout. The phone will do that too. If it overheats, it'll cut off your video. But with this, it's nice and cool. There's not even a fan in it. So I don't know how it stays cool, but it just stays cool. It does get a little bit warm, but not hot like the rest of the stuff, like the phone where it cuts off. And right now I'm at 38 minutes. So I was testing that a little bit, video. I'm on video for maybe like 45 minutes. Cut the rest of it out. Most of it I'm talking, so there's not much to cut out. All of this is just one take. As I said, this is a talking vlog, guys. So if you don't like it, skip through it. Watch it, leave it playing, do whatever you want to do. Leave it playing in the background. If you like to hear my voice, then some of what I'm talking about is informational. A lot of you guys may not know it. A lot of you guys know it. So for those who know it, you could leave it playing. For those who don't know it, take it as an advice. But yeah, I'm here. I'm just gonna clean up this kitchen real good, and then move on to the next thing on my list. Time flies. It's already 7 o'clock. Oh yeah. All right, guys. So I'm gonna finish putting away these things, and see what time I gotta go braid my hair. And then I'm gonna drop the stuff at the salon depending on what time I gotta go braid my hair. If I gotta go early to braid my hair, then I'll go to the salon after. If not, I'll go to the salon first and then go get my hair braided. So I'm gonna finish washing this and then get back to you guys. It's been 40 minutes. I'm gonna cut this one short. Or cut this one off. No, it's not short, but I'll cut it off. Alright, give me a few. Alright guys, so see, we done cleaning up the kitchen. Kitchen nice and clean. Alright, so let me go put the garbage out. Alright, let's get the garbage out. Beautiful, beautiful day here in Georgia. Beautiful day in Georgia. Yeah. You know, it's a long time I don't check the mailbox either. I forgot to check the mailbox. Yeah, guys, so yesterday I started to power wash the driveway, you know, to get it washed. But I noticed the hose broke, so it stopped. There was no pressure. It was the pressure side hose was busted. So I ended up I couldn't wash it out. See all those, you know, sometimes we have oil stain, cars leak oil, tire marks, dirt. So I pretty much tried to wash it off yesterday, but it didn't work. Now let me get the other one. We got two, got a recycle bin and a garbage bin. So get the other one. Garbage. Oh, this one heavy. This one heavy. I hope the garbage man can lift it up. Him like a machine. They don't come out the trucks. The garbage trucks over here, they got they just pull up and they got that mechanical arm that just grabs the garbage can and lift it over. If this was a person lifting this one, they would have struggled, yo. But normally the trucks are equipped with those arms. And then sometimes they got people on the back of it, but they the people that's on the back of it, they'll put it on a little thing on the back of the truck, and then that will yeah, people on the back of the truck, they'll put it to the back, and then the machine will lift it over. Yeah, I gotta edit that part. I was saying a bunch of crap right there. Check the mail. I'm gonna buy a hose and finish washing this driveway off. I don't like see when it's stained and dirty. So yeah, guys. Back inside, let me empty these boxes right here. Empty these boxes. That will be it. Just trying to lighten the load, yo, get rid of some stuff, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. As I said, I'm gonna show you the sky a lot. Reason for that is it's just, you know, for security purposes. Yeah, I had to cut you off there for a minute. These cars that's coming down the road, they're flying. And the garbage can is close to the road, so I don't want to get hit, so I had to put the camera down and do what I'm doing real quick, you know. Cars be flying past this road right here. It's like a little private racetrack. So, oh, new look, yo. Shaved up and I gotta go get my hair done. It's just braided in 2 braid right now, so I took the beard off. So I don't know if you like that new look, but I'm putting together a new look. I know out there in the YouTube world, they would probably just went from one look to the next, and then they wouldn't film. They would go out and get ready and do all that stuff. But yo, this is real life. This is what I do every day. So I'm gonna give you the process in getting that done. I've never seen, maybe there's videos out there, but I haven't seen YouTubers who, you know what I'm saying, they show you this part of it, like the behind the scenes, when they shave last night, to, you know, going to get your hair braided, then to get it faded. You know what I'm saying? They don't show that part. All you see is when they come looking nice. They're already on camera looking nice, like it's a movie. But no one films the behind the scenes of the movie. So this right here is the behind the scenes of the movie. If you notice, I'm in my garage. It's not painted. Ain't nothing fixed up. That's what this vlog is about. It's about what people do every day, what I do every day that you don't normally see. You know what I'm saying? See, I got a little bit more space in the garage walking. It's a wider space. This was just right here. This was right here. So now I got a little bit more space. Still got to get rid of a lot of things right here. As I said, the power wash, I'm going to keep it because I needed to power wash the driveway every now and then. And I needed to power wash the new location we're going. So, and maybe at the salon too, because I noticed the sidewalk is kind of dirty sometimes. The restaurant beside it, restaurants make the sidewalk dirty because of all the grease that goes in and out of it. So I'm gonna probably power wash all of them one day. I have to do it on a holiday when no one is there, or late at night when everybody's shut down. So yeah, I'm on it. Let's see what else on the list. I washed all the dishes, clean up the kitchen real good. If my hair appointment is not in the morning, I'm waiting a little bit so we could find out what time is that gonna be. But if it's not early in the morning, I'm gonna end up just going by the salon. The van has the chairs and stuff, so I'm gonna just go by the salon, drop those off, check on the salon, and then go get the hair done. If I don't get the hair done, then, you know, I'll just continue with the day and go get order the blender and stuff like that. As I said, I have a meeting with the grease trap guy, but it's gonna be later on tonight. He said 6 p.m. or 6:30, so it's in the evening time. We will meet with him. Yeah, so I could go pick up the shirt. So let me go in and order the shirts now. That way I could pick them up sometime today. I had that on my list for today, so let's go order that. Yeah. Alright, let me get the garbage bag. Get a garbage bag to put in the garbage can. see, doing real world stuff, putting in garbage bags. That's what a lot of people don't show. A lot of people have to do it, but they don't show it. So I'm showing it. I'm showing what I gotta do. Is my lips white there? I'm getting my hot water together. So. Alright, so let's see what's going on over here. I'm gonna order. Oh, I gotta get my wallet to order the. So now peppers are gone. Peppers, color smithy. Give me peppers. Color smithy are gone.
Big steel, and we are going right up and walk, we are going shade in the hills. We are going to walk with the mango coconut rice, team speed. So, but I want to get the plate. Because I had this for we are going to share on the piece. So I'm going to start relaxing, put them on the east. Get that. Get time.
Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna place this order real quick and then get back to you. Alright guys, so I'm still here at the house. I sourced the blender locally. I found one here locally where I could go pick it up. They have it in stock and everything. So I'm gonna pick up the blender. However, I have a list for today. It's now 11, so all morning I've been doing a little bit of editing, uploading videos to the group. I still didn't do my hair. There's no appointment till tomorrow, Friday. Today is Thursday, so I won't have an appointment till tomorrow at 11 for my hair. So I made a list for today. So I ordered the shirts. All that I need to get done today, I did it. I'm gonna do it. I ordered the shirts, so I'm gonna pick up the shirts. I'm gonna drop the chairs and stuff to the salon. I found the blender, so I'm gonna pick up the blender today. I'm gonna pick up the shirts. I'm gonna drop the stuff at the salon. I need a pressure washer hose. I'm gonna see if I could swing by Home Depot and see what they have, or Lowe's, and see what they have in terms of the length of it and stuff like that. And then this evening at 6, I'm gonna meet with the grease trap guy. I am gonna buy another bag of leg quarters too as well to do some testing on that. But yeah, I'm gonna get to it. It's now 11:30, so I'll probably be on the road for another 3 hours or so, and then later on this evening I'll swing by the restaurant to meet the grease trap guy. So let's get to it. I'm about to hit the road now. Did all my paperwork here, called who need to be called. I'm gonna head out now. Alright guys, so I'm over here by the salon. It's pretty filled to capacity today. There's no parking nowhere. So just brunch is filled. I think what happened is it's a lot of graduations going on today. As you can tell, it's a lot of graduations going on today. So the restaurants are filled. So both Marlowe's and Just Brunch filled. So I didn't get to drop the chairs because there's so many cars in the parking lot. I can't pass between the cars to drop the chairs through the back door. So we have a back door where we could access, but there's a lot of cars parked there back there, so I won't be able to drop the chairs just now. I just dropped there was a hair dryer I wanted to put in there, so I put the hair dryer in here. Hold on, let me put my seatbelt on. Yeah, so I just dropped the dryer. Later I'll come back later on today when it's empty and drop the chairs. So I'm just gonna head to pick up the shirts instead, and I'm going to pick up the blender, the commercial blender I'm searching for. What happened is that I found this company that has it in stock. I called the distributors this morning. Distributors said that this company, I should call them. So when I call them, they have one in stock. So I'm gonna head down there and see if we could pick it up. Other than that, you'd have to order it and wait. They have it in stock, so I'm just gonna grab that one and take that one. So after the shirt, I'm gonna head to the restaurant equipment store. I have a list of, you know, a bunch of other things, you know, with the price and stuff that I would like. So I'm just gonna, you know, as I go to these stores, I'm gonna check to see if there's any anything they have in stock there that could beat my price. I found most of these things online. Yeah, I found most of these things online for good prices. So all I have to do is just shop around now to see if anyone could beat these prices. Anybody could beat these prices, I'll just go with them. As far as the equipment, I'm not looking any kind of name brand equipment. Name brand stuff is just way too much money. It's a lot, it's crazy money. So I'm just gonna get, you know, not the cheap stuff, but affordable, you know, in between items. Right? So I'm just shopping for equipment now. On my list, I have the power wash. So I'm gonna go by Home Depot at some point to see if I could get a power wash hose for the power wash machine. Also, let's see what else. I gotta stop by the farm market. Oh, and then later on for the grease trap. So I'll be done way before the grease trap, guys. It's only 1 o'clock now, right? Yeah, they're having graduation over by the arena. The arena is pretty filled. Yeah, they got people parked all over. People park crossover in the Kroger parking lot. It's graduation time, you guys. So this time of year, you have a graduation from Wednesday every day. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah. So this area is real busy. Even with the food, the restaurants in this area is quite busy. Yeah. So yeah, we're on the road. I'm heading to the next stop. Hopefully I could get everything done in another 2 hours, and then I'll be heading home, and then meet the guy later on. 6:40 he said. Oh, I need gas. I gotta stop for some gas too. So yeah, I'll check in with the next stop when I'm pulling up to the t-shirt place. What them name again? Alpha Brother. So we're going to Alpha Brother if we go pick up the shirt then. So yeah, I wonder if this guy do plumbing. He's got a lot of hoses and stuff in here. Sometimes you could find some contractors like this, yo, they'll come and knock out the work because they ain't too busy. They qualified and they could do the work, but they ain't too busy in terms of you know, their scheduling. So sometimes you find some little contractors like this, you know, license and everything, and they'll knock the work out like almost instantly. So I tend to look out for cars like those. You know, sometimes I'm in the parking lot, I look out for people like those. I could you never know, you know, right? Run up into somebody where give you a good price and prompt service, you know. Alright, we're on our way. Alright guys, so we coming up on Alpha Brother now. Alpha Brother is a huge shirt distribution warehouse over here in Duluth or Norcross here. I'm not sure, but as you can tell, these are all this is all their space. See, they just sort shirts. Blow, me get tongue twisted a while ago. Yeah, all them do are just sort shirts and sell and ship and receive shirts from here. Pretty much that's what they do. So I think they still got that system where I haven't been here in a while, but what we have to do is pull up to one of these signs right here and the number is on it. So we text our order number to on the spot to them, and then they'll either bring it out or we go to one of those bays over there to collect our shirt. It depends on how much you order. If you order a lot of shirts, then you got to go to the bay over there. If you order just shirts that will fit in a bag, they'll bring it out to you. So let me text them that info now. So let's see, select text, copy, and then what I already got their number stored in my phone, so I just gotta text them the spot F and that order number. So let me text them. It's a pretty good setup. It's a pretty good setup ever since COVID. So we used to be able to go in through that door, and they had a nice showroom in there. There was a really nice showroom where you could see all the shirts, samples of the shirts, the bags, the hats, everything that they sell. They had, you know, a little sample in there. It looked, they had it set up like how you'd go in Macy's in the clothing department. That's how it was, right? But when COVID hit, what they did was close inside. They didn't want everybody to be coming in there, but they were still open to the public. So what they did was did everything by text. So you see all these signs, all these parking spots have signs, right? I, H, G, F, E, go all the way to A, right? Each spot has a spot number and a text, a number you could text. So what we do is, you know, you pull up, you order online, it is ready within an hour, and then you would pull up and text them the order number and the spot number, and then they'll bring it out to you. Or as I say, if it's a lot of shirts, then you could go to the bay doors back there. So ever since COVID, they've been doing this. It's a pretty good system. The only disadvantage is you can't really go in and look at what you're buying anymore, right? Online, you would have to probably buy a sample, or, you know, if you know what you're looking for, you buy what you're looking for. So that's the only disadvantage. Is you can't come inside and look anymore. I'm quite sure if you talk to someone, maybe, I don't think they even have that showroom in them no more. They do away with that completely, apparently. They just never changed back to regular where you could go in. I know the popcorn, they had free popcorn in there. That popcorn was good. They had a popcorn machine in there that's, you know, it makes it fresh every day. So, you know, this whole section, this whole warehouse is them. Go all the way back down, way down to the other street. Yeah, but it's, you know, this is the system. This, if you come to Alpha Broader, in Beaufort, what was this, Duluth, I believe, you know, this is where you would pick up your shirts. Yeah, but yeah, we're on the road. We are roll. We heading to the restaurant store next. It's now 1 o'clock, so I'm gonna, once I get the shirts, I'm gonna head over to the restaurant store, see what they have. I'm gonna pick up that blender definitely, and then I'm gonna see what else, you know. I have a bunch of stuff on this equipment list, you know, like ovens, fridge merchandisers, and, you know, reach-in coolers, reach-in freezers, you know, the sinks, you know, mop sinks, all the equipment and you know, fixtures we would need to put in there. We have it on, I have it on that list. So I'm just shopping around. If locally we can't find these things at a good price, I'll just order them online. Between Websterant and K-Tom Restaurant and Supplies and all those places online, they have things for way cheaper. Some of the things you might have to pay shipping. It might come out to be the same price, but it just depends. Some of them have free shipping, depends on what you're buying, you know, how big it is and stuff like that. But you know, when it comes to equipment, shop around, guys. For me, there's local places here that I could buy it, but it costs way more. Some of them, the brands they carry is the more expensive brands. So it's just a matter of what you're looking for. If you're looking for a real good expensive brand, then you could buy it local and pay more money. If you're looking for a cheap Chinese brand, you could buy it online and it'll be cheaper. Some of these Chinese brands is real good. You don't really have any problems with them. If you buy it from somewhere that's, you know, reputable, they'll warranty some of those things. Some of them you'll buy and you pay half the price, but it'll break in a year, you know what I'm saying, or a year or two. While if you buy the real expensive stuff, it'll last, you know, a couple years, you know. So it just depends on what budget you're working with and how much money, you know, you want to spend, pretty much, you know. I wonder if this is her right here. See, she comes out and brings the packages out. She takes them to the car. So when you pull up, you know, they take them to the car. So that's all. Oh, see, they text us back and say order coming out. Order coming right out. So that's how it is. That's how the system works. This system is a really good system. You don't have to come out your car. They come out to you. You know, as I said, if they wanted me to go to the door, it would have said right here, go to bay 1 or bay 2 or bay 3. That's how it would, you know, they would text us back and tell us that. The fact that they said order coming right out, that means she's gonna bring it out. So I'll just have my pen ready. I'm gonna sign for it, and, you know, pretty good system. It's like a drive-through, you know. I like it. The only thing, as I said, I can't go in and look at the garments anymore. But pretty much by this time, you know what kind of garment you're buying. Anybody that's in the shirt business, they know what they want. They know what all these different brands, you know, sometimes they'll order one shirt as a sample, you know what I'm saying? So they'll pretty much know what they're looking for. Yeah. You know, I buy only one particular type of shirt, so, you know, some people just buy next level, they know the part number they're buying. Some people buy Gildan, they know the part number. So when you order online, you already know what you're getting. The only thing you got to check for is just make sure the quality is good, so, or they pack it right in there, because, you know, sometimes you might order black shirt and you get a white shirt, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Give me a second. Right. Hello, how are you? Tropics, right. Yes.
How are you?
I'm all right.
Good.
Yeah. All right. That's
Thank
yours.
You so
this is mine.
All
right. Thank you.
Right.
You too. Yeah. So what you do is so I gotta check. What I do, I open it up real quick. You know. So see, comes in a bag. Comes in a bag like that, and then you know, they got 10 shirts. So what I'll do, I'll just open it up real quick, take them out and inspect them, make sure you get the right size and the right brand. I bought some CVC. So these are Gildan shirts, but the Gildan CVC shirts are a little bit better feeling than the regular Gildan shirts. The regular G500 shirts, they kind of coarse and they shrink, and you know what I'm saying. So this CVC soft style is real durable. I printed a couple shirts over the years and it's still holding up. They're still looking good, you know what I'm saying, in terms of quality. These manufacturers are, they source, not manufacturers, but these distributors, they source shirts from different vendors. So they'll source shirts from all over. Maybe some is coming from China, Taiwan, Singapore, wherever they're ordering them from. So the different factories that's making these shirts, sometimes the quality is different, you know what I'm saying. So like now I think I'm in a next level shirt, but so the quality of them varies depending on where they order them from, you know what I'm saying. So what I'll do, I'll go through, if with this system, if the shirts are not, let's say you find a defective shirt, what you do is just call them up, and once you call them up, they're gonna just replace it and send you another one, right? Or you could return it, so they send you a label and you put it back in a bag and ship it back to them, right? So that's how this system works. If you have a bad shirt or a damaged shirt, you just take pictures of it, call that number, and they'll you know, sort it out for you. So that's how this system works in terms of returns. You can't just walk up in there like before and show it to them. You have to like kind of make a claim. You have to make a claim. So yeah, so I got them in white. Hold on guys, tripod a bit shaky. It's because I don't have no stand. I'm in the van. So yeah, so see, I got them in white as well. So as you could tell on the white, I think the white is a different manufacturer from the black. They both feels good, but the quality of it, the stitching, you know what I'm saying, the black vendor is a little bit different from the white. Yeah, but it's all good though. These shirts are just promotional shirts. I'll be wearing them every time I go to promote, you know, to lifestyle or to the restaurant or going out on the road. I'll wear a shirt like that. So like today I should have been wearing a pepper shirt, but I wore it the other day and it was dirty. So if I have more than one, like today I'm going out to different restaurant supply stores, I'll wear my peppers shirt, right? So these, it's not like I'm selling the shirt or anything. You have to worry about quality, great excellent quality, you know. These shirts you could sell them, however. These the soft style shirts, Gildan soft style, I like those in terms of, you know, you could put a print on them and sell it. Most people use Next Level, but Next Level I noticed been falling off lately. They have holes in them sometimes after a few washes. But these right here is been holding up. I have a couple of these for over 2 years now, wearing that shirt over and over and washing it over and over, and it still hasn't messed up. The Bella and Canvas, those are good as well. I like those shirts in terms of quality and how well they stand up, you know. All right, so we got the shirts, we got our invoice right here. So now I'm gonna head over to, oh, I need gas. Now I'm gonna head over to that person right there, not coming out. So yeah, I'm gonna head over to the gas station, grab some gas, and then I'm gonna head to the restaurant supply store. So alright, let's get it. I'm gonna head over to the gas station. So we working today, guys. We're actually on the road today. Past couple of days I've been on the road, but not doing anything pertaining to like shirts or restaurant or stuff. My whole week, you know, just got disrupted with other smaller stuff. this week I wanted to do just mostly restaurant stuff. It's already Thursday and I'm just now getting around to take care of the restaurant stuff. I've been doing restaurant stuff in the background, paperworks and, you know, calling everybody and figuring that part out. But as far as physical stuff, like, you know, sourcing equipment, picking up equipment, I haven't got the chance to do that. So now I'm gonna finally go get the first piece of equipment, which is a blender. The reason why I'm getting this blender, just in case you guys didn't watch the other one, it's a special blender. It's a big blender. It's like 6 gallons. So if you know what 6 gallons is, it's like, you know, those big 5-gallon buckets. It's like putting that big 5-gallon bucket in a blender. You know what I'm saying? The typical household one is like less than a gallon, right? So just imagine it's 10 times the amount of your household blender I'm gonna put in there. I'm gonna get the one I'm gonna get. So yeah, you'll see it once I get it. You'll see what it pretty much looks like in terms of the size of the blender, you know. But yeah, all right, so we're gonna get some gas. I'm gonna stop and get some gas and then head to the restaurant store. See you in a minute. All right, so pulling over into QT, get us some gas. Once we get some gas, we could hit the road again. Let's see, there's no pumps available. I'm trying to find one that's on your side. Yeah, all these pumps are taken. Let's go around and see. So we're going on this side. Alright, so we're gonna get some gas and then I'll get back with you. Hold on one second. I got too many things in my hand. I got the phone, I got the camera. Give me a second. Guys, gas went down real good. 319. It was like 350 the other day. So it went down real a lot lower. Hold on one second. Well, go on. Where I dealing? Alright guys, so I'm here at the restaurant equipment store. I'm gonna go inside now and see if they have it, if they actually have the one I want. They said they have it, so let's see if it's the right one. Alright guys, so I'm here at the restaurant store. We got the blender in here. It's brand new. Brand new blender. So we're gonna strap it down real quick and get on the road. Real nice guy. I met the owner. His name is Harry. Real nice guy. I can't say, you know, anything bad about him. We had a good, I would say 30-40 minute talk a while ago, almost an hour we in there talking. Guy had really good advice in terms of you know, the restaurant and what I should do and what I'm not supposed to do. It's real good advice. He's an elder guy. He's probably in his 70s by now. Came here a long time ago. He gave me a whole tour on his facility. He's got huge building, like 30,000 square feet of a warehouse with just all equipment used and new. If you notice, there's a building gone all the way back there, you know. So, you know, I had a real good talk with him. He, you know, real super cool guy, older guy. He gave me some real good advice in terms of, you know, what I should do, what I shouldn't do, you know. you know, what I should sell, you know, stuff like that, that, you know, most profitable. You know, they're in the restaurant business for years. Not restaurant, like the restaurant equipment business. So they know what sells and what not sell, you know. So real cool guy. As I said, it's good to talk to the elders. I wish I could have put him on camera, but you know, some people don't want to be on camera. Hold on guys, I'm strapping this down. Yeah, some people don't really want to be on camera, so you know, I didn't really want to put him on camera, you know. Yeah, so yeah guys, so you know, as I said, it was a really cool guy. He gave me a tour of his facility. He, you know, showed me around, you know, showed me what he has and what he doesn't have. I saw 2 refrigerators that he has. I'm definitely gonna come back for it if he gives me a good price on them. When I'm ready to buy it, I'll probably call him and see, you know, see what kind of price he'll give me on those 2. They are used, but they're in very good condition in terms of they're in very good condition in terms of how they look and stuff like that. So yeah, what time is it? Let's see. It's now 3 o'clock. So I got the shirts, guys. I got the shirts, I got the blender. See if I can put this right here. Yeah, I got the shirt and I got the blender. I just need to go drop it off now, and then the salon might still be filled with people. It's still 3 o'clock. Just brunch closes at 4, so there might be a lot of people in the parking lot. So I won't go before there until later on tonight. Sorry guys, I'm just wiping my hands. I was touching a lot of stuff inside there, so shaking hands and bleep that out. No bad words, yo. But yeah, so I'm just wiping on my hands real good. Always walk with your Lysol wipes, you know. I have my sanitizer down there too. I could use sanitizer as well, but every time I shake hands or, you know, be touching up stuff. Oops, sorry guys. Sorry about that. Camera almost fell. Anyway, yeah, so I got the shirts, picked up all the shirts today. Got the blender back there. I got the chairs to drop off. These boxes are going in the garbage. I got the blender in the box. I'm at Atlanta Restaurant Equipment, so I'm gonna head out now and drop this thing off, these things off. Let me see what else is on my list. So I didn't get to go do my hair today. I'm gonna do my hair tomorrow at 11. I gotta meet her. I might go and get it lined up in the side though. I might go by the salon and let one of the barbers line up the side. I gotta go to Lowe's or Home Depot. There's a Home Depot up here. I'm gonna go to that one up the street. And then later on today I'm gonna meet with the grease trap guy. Oh, there's a farm market right there. I could pick up the chicken. So the farm market and the where I get the chicken and the farm market and the Home Depot is next door to each other. So I'm just gonna go get the chicken to do some more testing, and I'm gonna to get the power wash hose. I'm gonna check this to make sure to see if they have a power wash hose I could use. Okay, that's Alpha Brother. This is the rest of the equipment. Yeah guys, so let's get to it. I'm gonna drive up the street and then we'll check back in when we get to Home Depot. Alright, so in the farm market, grabbing some green bananas. I got scallion and all that already. I think I need some broccoli. I'll get me some broccoli. Yeah, I got me some broccoli. Bok choy. Let's go get the chicken and then we're ready to go. Them have yam for the Jamaican people, them cocoa. Them have cocoa over there, so them call it something else though. Them call it malanga via. Spanish people, them sweet potato. Them have different sweet potato over there, so too. All the onions, rice, garlic, everything that at the farm market. Them call it nam de moon. Nam de moon. So now I go get the chicken. Oh, them have all the quinoa and them something over there, so too. I grab some quinoa. Where is it? Oh, quinoa. Which part today? Black beans, red peas, quinoa. Guys, you see it? Which part of quinoa there? You know it the right or somewhere. Sunflower seed. Normally the right or so, you know. Seasoning, herbs, black seeds, black beans. Yo, away quinoa go on, them not have none. Look like them not have none. Lentils. Vegetable. Try them run out, yo. No quinoa. Mustard seed, poppy seed. Yeah, look like them run out, cause right, I said them normally have it where the beans them then. Alright, so we get that from somewhere else. So the chicken, yeah, the leg quarters chicken, $6.99 for a bag, 10-pound bag. I'm gonna need a bag. Need a bag. I'll get a bag to put it in a. Because the juice will leak out. Juice will leak out. And I want the juice to leak out for me, so what I'm gonna do is get a bag. Set a bag like this. And then put it in the bag. Put the chicken in the bag. So that it not leak. Should I get a piece of pork too? I'm going to eat none of them something like guys, but I like to make it, you know. Make them. Other people can taste it, see me? Sorry, hold on 1 second, I'm going to go back this up. There we go. Get some pork and some ribs. I'll get some pork. So just got done with the farm market. Got a couple meats. Got some green plantain and some broccoli. I already got some fish out here. I tried to get quinoa, but there was no quinoa. So I'll probably just eat some potato with broccoli and a piece of fish for dinner. I haven't ate all day, guys. I had some oats earlier for lunch, but that was it. It's now what, after 3, 4. So I'm gonna make me something to eat when I get home. So now I'm gonna head over to yeah, it got dark. I was pointing to the sky. I'm gonna head over to Home Depot, see if I could get the power wash hose over there. Alright, so we buckling up. We're gonna leave here and go over to the Home Depot. Alright, so see, that's Namdaemun. That's the name of the farm market here. You have a bunch of them here in Georgia. Namdaemun. Some Chinese or Spanish farm market, I'm not sure. But the Home Depot is pretty much next door to here. So it's just to come over here and then turn in the next driveway. Alright, so see, we just turned out. So we're gonna turn in right here at the Home Depot. Right next door. So these 2 stops was real close. I didn't have to go too far. So I kinda, you know, when you leave out, you have to kinda plan your trip. You know, so this morning I did a circle. So I went, got the shirts this morning, left the shirts, went to the blender, and then come here. So everything, I just pretty much did a circle, and then my house is, you know, that way. So it's one big circle. I just did one big circle. Went to the salon, went to the shirt, went to pick up the blender, and then now here, farm market, then here. So, you know, you have to kind of plan out your trip, you know, make sure you don't waste gas and all them things. Yeah, zigzag all over the city, you know. So yeah, let's see if I could grab this parking right here. Yeah, this truck is real long, guys. So normally when you park and it sticks out all the way in the road. Yeah, this is the extended version I'm driving. So yeah, let's go get what we're getting from in here. Yeah, alright, we'll lock the van, we're heading inside. So Home Depot, they got lots of flowers over here. Yeah, alright, so what was I getting here again? What's that? The hose, power wash hose. Should be on this side somewhere. Power wash hose should be down here somewhere. Chainsaw, charcoal grill. Oh, I can go look on the small charcoal grill too. Power wash might be up on that side. They got a nice little grill right here. What is it? Gas? Probably gas. Oh, I need one of them charcoal bin. Have you ever seen this yet, yo? It's a nice little charcoal. You put your charcoal in it. That's too much money though. I could buy a regular bin from somewhere else. Alright, let's see. Hose. You know, we need a hose reel to hang up our hose at the house. Alright guys, so they don't have the hose I want. The hose I'm looking for, they don't have it. I have a smaller one. Them have a real tiny one, but not the one I'm looking for. We've got some grills over here too. They don't have the small one I'm looking for either. They only have like these type. But the one I'm looking for is like a barrel type, like a barrel. They got these other ones right here. They don't have the one I'm looking for. Let's go on the other side. Oh, this is the fancy grills. All these Ryobi items. Oh, let me look and see if they got any kind of edger. You know, like for the lawn, the edger. I have a weed whacker, but so I need like a weed edger, so I could edge the lawn. I wonder if I'll be selling you those edgers, yo. These are all weed whackers, but where's the edgers? I forgot probably search for it online. When you're out in the stores, guys, it's just too much to choose from. Look at this. It's just too much things. But when you look online, you could narrow it down and then come and look for it, you know? Because these are all weed whackers. What happened to the edgers? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here. I can't find what I'm looking for. Maybe Lowe's we might have. Look at this little lawnmower. It's like a little tiny lawnmower, yo. Battery. Baby. Look. My foot compared to it. It's a little tiny lawnmower. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here. Alright guys, so I came out to the restaurant real quick. Let me show you guys what's going on. I came to meet with the grease trap guy. So discuss a few things. They also do plumbing, so we're trying to figure out the plumbing section of it. However, I haven't got the plans yet, so it's hard to kind of show them what needs to be done without a plan. So yeah, you know, I'm just going over some measurements. I went by the store today, the equipment store today, took some measurements of the refrigerators and the sinks and stuff like that. So, you know, on this side of it is going to be where the hood and everything is going to be. So I was just taking some measurements to see what would fall where. As far as this little office thing, we're still gonna try and turn it into a little office. If not, we're gonna turn it into a storage to store stuff. We could lock the doors and you know. But yeah. Still waiting on plans. It's now Thursday, so hopefully we could get some plans in by next week. I'm gonna get in touch with the architect tomorrow and see how he's going, how it's going with the plans, with the drawings and the MEP plans. So hopefully we could get them next week and start submitting those. As I said, I have everybody good to go, ready to start working. I have two different plumber to give me some quotes, so we'll see whoever give me the best price or whoever could get it done as quickly as possible. We'll see. So but yeah, I'm gonna head over to the salon, drop off those chairs real quick, and then head back home. It's now probably around 7:30, 8 o'clock. It's still light out outside, so we'll see. Alright guys, so this is it. That's it right there. Now we have to change the ceiling to the washable ceilings. This is the bathroom right here that's existing. It's kind of dark in here. There's no power in here yet. So that's the bathroom. We're gonna put another bathroom right here for the customers. So customer bathroom is gonna go right there, and employee bathroom is gonna go right there. So we're gonna see how this one works out. Alright guys, so came to the salon. See, we're at the salon. It's dark, the lights turn off, it's on a timer, so the lights go out. Do a quick inspection. I already, few things was on the floor, so I had to vacuum the floor. Yeah, I had to vacuum the floor real quick. So there you go. Yeah, there's a, don't mind me, I'm kicking a piece of hair all the way to the back. Yeah, I saw a clump on here, so I'm just, yeah, so did a quick stop by the salon after I left the restaurant spot. Pretty much what I'm doing is giving it a little clean. Hallways are clean, the bathroom is clean, you know, front mat, back mat, and the kiosk is clean. So we still on the road. It's probably around, what time is it? It's 8:30. This is my last run. I still got the blender in the back of the van, so I'm gonna pretty much go home, take that out, put that in the storage that I made in my garage for the equipment. So the first piece of equipment we bought was that blender. I have equipment already in storage, but that's the first piece I had to buy since we got the restaurant. So everything looks good at the salon, so now we heading home. But yeah, let's go unload that from the truck and then go from there. Alright guys, so we got home. See, this is the first piece of equipment that's in the garage. It's the blender. So this is a huge blender. See, it's almost, it's chest height. This is what I use to do the seasonings, blend all my seasonings in bulk. So it, one of this right here will fit a 5-gallon bucket. So anybody out there who makes a lot of seasoning, it you know, those Home Depot buckets, one of that, when you blend up one of that, it fills that bucket. So anyone out there who does large amounts of blending, that blender right there does the job. So I'm pretty much done for the night. I think I'm gonna close this vlog out right here. We met with the guy at the grease trap for the grease trap, did everything that was on the list. I got everything done except the getting the pressure washer hose, but we got the shirts, we got the blender, bought the blender, did everything that was on the list. So let's see what we're gonna do tomorrow. It's Thursday. I'm gonna close this one out, do some paperwork, edit this video so we could have it, you guys could see it tomorrow. It's now about 9:30, so finishing this one out.